Hey guys, this is Dhruv Mohan from Tech Insider India, and today I'm giving you a quick overview for the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now the OnePlus 9 Pro is a flagship smartphone by the brand and is actually the highest in the ladder when it comes to the OnePlus 9 lineup. Alright, it's time to talk about the design of the OnePlus 9 Pro. Bigger than the OnePlus 9R and the regular OnePlus 9, the 9 Pro weighs 197 grams. The smartphone maintains OnePlus's classic features like a USB Type-C charging port and the fan-favorite alert slider on the side. The phone supports an aluminium build and comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection on both front and back. The smartphone also comes with an official IP68 rating, and OnePlus claims that the phone is water and dust resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This is also a dual SIM smartphone and can support 2 nano SIMs. OnePlus 9 Pro is available in 3 colors: Morning Mist, Forest Green and Stellar Black. Time to talk about the display on the OnePlus 9 Pro. You get a giant 6.7-inch LTPO Fluid AMOLED screen on the OnePlus 9 Pro. The screen supports HDR10+ and has a peak brightness of 1300 nits, which means it can retain more detail and better black levels, both of which result in great experience while watching content. The screen is also great for gaming since it supports a max refresh rate of 120Hz. The screen also features an in-display fingerprint scanner, which is snappy. We get a set of stereo speakers on the OnePlus 9 Pro. Time to talk about OnePlus 9 Pro's biggest highlight, the Hasselblad camera setup. You get a quad camera setup on the OnePlus 9 Pro. There is a main 48 megapixel camera with laser autofocus. This will help you click images quickly. The camera also features optical image stabilization, so you can record videos without worrying about the footage being shaky. Then there is an 8 megapixel telephoto camera with optical image stabilization and 3.3x optical zoom. Yes, that means you can comfortably click pictures of subjects that might be far off. Then there is a 50 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor to cover more room. And finally there is a 2 megapixel monochrome sensor. The main camera can shoot 8K videos at 30 fps and 4K videos at 30, 60 and 120 fps. The camera also supports auto HDR. On the front, we have a 16 megapixel shooter that can shoot 1080p videos at 30 fps. Now it's time to talk about the processor on this flagship smartphone. The OnePlus 9 Pro is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5G processor. The most powerful processor from Qualcomm, this chipset can run any and every app you throw at it. This also enables the smartphone to be 5G ready. For better graphics performance, we get an Adreno 660 GPU on the smartphone. The OnePlus 9 Pro comes with Android 11 out of the box and is combined together with Oxygen OS 11. Time to talk about the battery on the OnePlus 9 Pro. You get a 4500 mAh battery on the OnePlus 9 Pro that supports 65-watt warp charging. OnePlus claims that the smartphone can charge from 1 to 100% in just 29 minutes, which if true will save a lot of time. The smartphone also supports fast wireless charging of up to 50 watts. The OnePlus 9 Pro is available in 2 variants. There is a variant with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, and then there is another variant with 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage.